Hello guys, in this exercise we will be comparing the execution time between search in the regular list and searching in the sets. Okay, so let's see this one. So in the first one they just asked us to create the set out of this guy, so I have done that here. And in the next instruction the similar thing only. Okay, so we are just printing out the search whether the element is there or not. Okay, so you can submit that. Okay, so you get a true and false over here. And moving on to the next one, so here also the same thing, but this time we are searching for a different character over here. Okay, match up. Okay, let's run that as well. So we got false and true, and submit this as well. And coming to the final one, in the final one we are actually going to time it. Okay, so they asked us to, as I told you, right, we want to compute the time for searching in the list and for searching in the set. Okay, he's clearly mentioned that don't include print statements. Okay, so let's go back to this previous one. Okay, copy this guy. Okay, we want to compute the time, right? So we have learned how to compute the time. So time it, that's it. And it is executing over here. See, I have executed both of the commands on using time it for a regular list and for the set as well. So you can see the time here. See, the list took 139 milliseconds and this 129. Okay, so obviously this is great, right? Searching in a set is very easy. So what is the question? Which membership testing was faster? Just answer this one. Using list is faster than using a set for membership. No, right? Membership testing using list and set has the same. No, member testing using this is the correct answer for this exercise, guys. Cool. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.